All right, I am on UTA website. I'm going to go to students and then I will click on library and I'll click on research and I want to go to database A through Z. And there are three sites that I'm interested in. What is it? I wrote it down. Okay, one of them is Eric EBSCO. The other one is Children's Literature Review. And the other one is Academic Search. And I'm going to start with Children's Literature Review. Click on the C. There it is. Children's Literature Review. I have to sign in. Oh, and I'm in. All right, and I'm thinking about critical thinking. And there we go. We have a literature as a springboard to critical thinking. And I'm there. So this will definitely be one of the articles that I put on my list.